Hi Leo, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message does resonate with you, Leo, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as this is going to be a general energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single Leo out there. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading. The first card that I've got for you here, Leo, is the Three of Pentacles, followed by the Magician, and then the Page of Pentacles coming up here as well. So you could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or someone with an earth sign strongly in the chart. So with this card I'm getting here is that I do feel like you've been trying to manifest something here. With this Magician card here, Leo, I do feel like your power of manifestation is definitely on point. So whenever I've got the Magician card here, my suggestion here is that to basically pay attention to the power of your mind here, Leo. So you basically can manifest anything and everything you want in life here, and this is basically you basically need to think positively. Do not entertain any negative thoughts, do not entertain any negative self-talk even here. So keep on feeding positivity into your mind here, Leo. With this Three of Pentacles, I'm definitely getting that for those of you who are actually have been trying for promotion here, I'm definitely sensing that you could actually be getting a promotion or even like an increase in salary in the month of July here, because with this Three of Pentacles I'm definitely sensing that all your hard work, all the determination that has been putting here, Leo, is definitely going to be rewarded. Especially with this Page of Pentacles, I'm definitely sensing that you could actually be getting a new job offer, a promotion, or even like you could be finding something like something new, or you could actually be starting a new business endeavor here that is basically going to give you extra money or extra income here. Another thing, another message that I've got for you here, Leo, is for those of you who are in a relationship. I've got this Three of Pentacles here. You could actually be in a third party situation. If not, for some of you this could also an indication towards me of reconciliation or a new relationship that have just started to building up between you and this other person. And with this Page of Pentacles energy, I'm definitely sensing like this other person is serious with you. Like this is someone who actually want to build the relationship from ground zero. Like this is basically someone who basically like wanting to offer you the world, like wanting to start a new solid beginning with you here, Leo. And with this Three of Pentacles, I'm also getting that for those of you who are actually already in a relationship, I'm definitely sensing that the relationship is going to take a new level up here. Like I do feel like your relationship is definitely going to move further here into a marriage or even into a much more secure, a much more committed relationship here, Leo. The bottom of the deck I've got for you here is Four of Pentacles. So I do feel like you could also be in this energy of, you know, like just like basically you would just rather keep everything within yourself. So I do feel like either you or your partner could actually appear a little bit closed off here. But with this Four of Pentacles, this is also indication towards me that financial stability will also be there in your life in the month of July here, Leo. And for those of you who are actually kind of having a partner which is kind of closed off, or if this is you feeling that you're coming up a little bit closed off here, I do feel like most of you need to start working on your throat chakra just for you to actually be more open here as well, Leo. Let's see what else comes up for Leo, please. I've got the Death card coming up for you here, followed by the Two of Wands and the Eight of Wands coming up for you here, Leo. And the bottom of the deck, I've got Page of Swords coming up for you. So you could be dealing with a Scorpio or someone with a strong Scorpio in the chart, as well as Air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini here. But with this Death card, I'm definitely getting another possible message here is that there's definitely going to be a new beginning in your life in general. This could actually be in a finances, relationship, or even like in a family situation as well. So whatever you're actually going through here, Leo, the month of July is definitely going to bring lots of abundance, lots of new beginning coming up here as well. For those of you who have been in a no contact period. With this Eight of Wands energy, I'm definitely sensing that your person is definitely going to come forward with the communication here. And I do feel like at this point of time, your person could actually be stalking, social media, or like checking out your social media page, or even like driving past your house, or even like asking about you through mutual friend. That kind of energy I'm getting here. So the reason why your person is doing that is just that they're trying to be calculating here, Leo. Like they're basically trying to make a move, but at the same time they're basically like being calculating with the move that they're making here. So they want to come towards you, and I do feel like things definitely going to take off in a quite positively here between you and your person with this Eight of Wands energy here. I've also got, for some of you, your person could actually be in the stage of indecisiveness. As you can see here, this one is just stuck into the wall. So I do feel like for some of you, your person wants to communicate with you. Your person wants to come towards you here. But at the same time, something is kind of making them feeling stuck in a situation. So lots of indecisiveness coming up here. Lots of like, I do feel like the moment that your person wants to make a decision to come towards you, and then they're going to take a step back again. And I do feel like this is something that's been going on for a while. And I do feel like your person definitely has a lot of emotion towards you here, because I've got the King of Cups coming up here as well. So you could be dealing with another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And I do feel like this is them coming up as someone who has a lot of emotion, someone who's actually watching you, or like wanting to know your every move here, but at the same time they cannot move forward due to something. This could actually be a third party situation, or a finance situation, a career situation, or even a family situation coming up here, Leo. Let's see what else comes out for Leo, please. I've got the Star card and the Seven of Pentacles coming up for you. So yeah, this could actually be a financial situation that they could be actually stuck with the career, or like they could just be stuck by not having enough finances here, that kind of energy. I'm also getting that for some of you, you could actually be waiting for quite so long here, Leo, that you just like kind of losing patience. You just kind of like losing hope as well. Like you kind of in this energy, like how much longer should I wait? That kind of energy as well I'm getting here. But I've got the Star card coming up for you. So this is basically like the wish card. So all your wishes definitely going to come to fruition. All your wishes are definitely going to come to are basically going to come true here, Leo. The Star card here, this is also an indication towards me healing, emotional healing here. So I do feel like your person could actually going through a lot of emotional healing at this point of time, and that could also be what's stopping them, or what's basically hindering them to move forward here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Leo, is the High Priestess card. So you could be dealing with a Pisces. If not, this is also an indication towards me that you are such a highly intuitive person here, Leo. So this is basically time for you to trust more into your gut feeling, to trust more into your intuition here. Let's see what else comes up for Leo, please. I've got the Six of Wands coming up for you, and the Nine of Swords coming up for you here as well. So for some of you, you could actually be dealing with lots of anxiety, over worrying, or trouble sleeping at night. So this is basically for those of you who are actually going through that. This is basically time for you to actually do lots of energy cleansing, because I do feel it could actually be getting other people's energy here. So try to carry black tourmaline, or like do saging, or even spiritual bath here. But overall energy I've got for you as the last card here is the Six of Wands. So definitely lots of victory, lots of positivity is going to come towards you here, Leo. I just feel that for some of you, that waiting to reconcile with your person, this is just basically like going to take a little bit of time, because I'm sensing like lots of healings that needs to take place within your person life here. For those of you, for the two of you, can actually move forward here, but eventually you're definitely going to get your ultimate happiness with this Ten of Pentacles coming up here. So happy home, happy family, happy relationship, as well as being financially stable, being financially independent here, Leo. Let's pull up some advice card for you. I'll get some advice card for Leo, please. I've got the High Priestess card coming up here again for you. So this is could actually indication towards me, trust your gut feeling, follow your intuition here. I do feel like for some of you, you could also have this inner knowing that okay, this is what my person is going through. So listen more to that here, Leo. I've got the Ten of Pentacles coming up for you. So you've got the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles coming up together here. So happy home, happy family, happy relationship here. And I've got the Ace of Cups coming up for you here as well. So this is also an indication towards me that your person definitely has a lots of love towards you here, Leo. I just feel like at this point of time, they could be stuck in a family situation, either a toxic family members, toxic friend, or this could actually like a family issue, family upbringing, childhood trauma here that's kind of affecting them. So just try to send them positive energy here. I do feel like for some of you, you could actually be mirroring your person with all this anxiety coming up from you here. I've got the Eight of Wands coming up for you again. I've got the Eight of Wands coming up twice, and I've got the Queen of Pentacles coming up here as well. So financially, I'm not seeing any issue for the month of July for you, and I've got the Eight of Wands here. So definitely things are definitely going to take off in a quite positively for you here, Leo. Alright, so that's it for your July 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.